Today I am reviewing 2025 SOUYIE Smart Watch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a smartwatch that blends style, functionality, and safety, the 2025 SOUYIE smartwatch is an excellent choice for both men and women. This smartwatch comes packed with features that make it a perfect companion for daily life, fitness, and even emergency situations. Its fashion-forward design is built from aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it a durable yet lightweight feel. The sleek, curved edges and minimalist aesthetics make it suitable for any setting, whether you're at the office, at the gym, or out exploring. It's a unisex smartwatch that seamlessly transitions between casual and formal looks while maintaining a sporty elegance. One of the standout features of this watch is its safety and connectivity capabilities. With Bluetooth 5.3, you can answer calls, receive messages, and get app notifications directly on your wrist. The watch also comes with a unique SOS emergency alert feature, allowing you to set emergency contacts via the app. In case of emergency, simply triple press the side button, and the watch will send alerts immediately. This makes it an excellent companion for outdoor activities, travel, or simply keeping your loved ones reassured. The 1.85-inch AMOLED curved display is another highlight. With a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels and 322 ppi, the screen delivers crisp, vibrant visuals. The 750 nit peak brightness ensures readability even under direct sunlight, and the 60 Hz refresh rate provides smooth, fluid navigation. Features like the always-on display and palm cover screen-off function add convenience, while also extending battery life. Whether you're scrolling through your notifications or checking fitness stats, the display is clear, responsive, and visually appealing. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the 100-plus sports modes and IP68 waterproof rating. You can track running, cycling, swimming, and more with precise metrics. The watch even offers auto-detection for workouts and guided running plans, so whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to stay active, it keeps you motivated. The IP68 rating means you don't need to worry about sweat, rain, or splashes during your workouts. It truly combines versatility with durability. Health tracking is where the SOUYIE smartwatch really shines. It provides 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, stress tracking, and sleep monitoring. With a 6th-generation optical sensor, the watch accurately analyzes deep, light, and REM sleep stages and syncs data to your app for actionable insights. It's not just about numbers. It helps you understand your overall wellness and recovery, ensuring you stay at your peak. Additionally, this smartwatch supports voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, so you can play music, check the weather, set reminders, or control smart home devices without touching your phone. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable 20-meter connection, ensuring smooth calls and audio. It even lets you store music for phone-free workouts, making it convenient for gym sessions, hikes, or runs. Battery life is impressive as well. A 350 mAh lithium polymer battery provides up to 10 days of regular use or 30 days on standby in low-power mode. Thanks to fast-charging technology, you can get a full charge in about 1.5 hours, or enough power for 24 hours with just 10 minutes of charging. This ensures the watch keeps up with your busy lifestyle without constant charging interruptions. Finally, the SOUYIE smartwatch comes with universal compatibility for Android 6.0 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus devices, a 3-year warranty, and 24/7 customer support, making it a safe investment. Whether you're tracking fitness goals, monitoring health, or simply staying connected in style, this smartwatch covers all bases. With its sleek design, robust features, and intelligent tracking capabilities, the 2025 SOUYIE smartwatch is truly a top contender in the wearable market for 2025.